Hi, Kat. I heard it's your birthday, but I don't know when. Anyway, happy birthday. And then my message to you, well, just keep it up. You're doing good. You're doing okay. And then I hope you will probably stay longer in this company. Kat. Kat. From what I know, kasi I was asked, first question is, sino si Kat? From what I know, yun yung lovely Joy. So, I think that's it. Bye. Ciao.
Si Cass, para sa akin, Cass is very approachable, very friendly, and you'll never have a dull moment with her. You could talk anything under the sun if you're with Cass. Yeah, she's one of my favorite classmates since napaka-approachable niya talaga. And what else? She's a nice girl. Talaga, okay siya. Even though minsan boring yung sinasabi ko sa kanya, nakaka-rate pa rin siya. So, Kat, I do hope that you're going to enjoy your birthday. And I do hope that we're going to stay in the same company or in the same team. Mahaba pa, as in long, until we got, oh my God, it's crazy! And I do hope na magpapainom ka sa birthday mo. Expect me to be there. Prepare a lot of beers, tacos, pizza, whatsoever. Shit. That's it. Happy birthday.
All I can say is that whenever I see you, I think of cool Kat. Okay? And I very, very much want to be like you. I hope I can be as cool as you are, and I want to say happy birthday and all the best for you. I hope all your dreams will come true. God bless.
Kat, I would like to say happy birthday. For me, as I know you, you're a very good friend. You're always the person who makes us happy because of the way you talk. You're like, what? Like, you're so cool, and that's what I like about you. You take things lightly. So every time when we're together ng inuman, you're always happy, game ka sa lahat, tapos basta you're cool. And my wish for you is that I hope kahit magkahiwalay man tayo, makamit mo yung gusto mong dream or whatever. And stay the same and be the best. Okay? Alright, Apir.
Hi, Kat. Well, ang ganda ng araw natin kanina, no? Okay, first day sa Kat, and ewan ko, hindi ko alam, pero masaya, di ba? And yeah, happy birthday, and yeah, we can do it, and you're cool, so good luck.
Okay, hi Kat, happy birthday. Kailan ka papainom? No joke. Seriously, kailan nga? No, I just want to wish you happy birthday. I hope all things go well with you and your special someone.
Forever, for a long time.
That's all. It's my birthday.